correlation between job satisfaction and job commitment. And I have these here already. Let me just use this here. So job satisfaction, job commitment. I'm going to just go ahead and run it with this. Okay. I'm going to go to the function bar. And going to go to, see, you'll notice Corel is correlation, but let's look it up the hard way. We go to statistical, we scroll down to Corel. And the first array means column. So that's going to be our that one. And our array 2 is going to be this one. And I think I screwed up and I put it in a title there. But it'll still work. Click OK. And our correlation is that. So we round it down to 2. We go up here. We go to our little egg factory. Right, I don't need 14 digits there, right? Okay, so we're going to just round it down to 2 digits. It looks like 0.071. That is the answer. Let's go back here. And there it is right there. Boom. Correct answer, 0.71. Hope that helps. MGZ, out.